Hi guys, and welcome to my fitness channel. My name's Nathan. Now I'm going to teach you how to do a push-up. Okay, firstly I'm going to teach you guys how to do the correct form of doing the push-up. Secondly, I'm going to teach you progressions, and lastly we're going to move on to the common mistakes that a beginner does and how you can avoid them. Okay, now let's get over to the video. Your arm position. Your arms will be directly underneath your body. They'll be slightly wider than your shoulders. When going up and down, you need to retract your traps. You'll be starting in a plank position. When performing a push-up, you will need to use your full range of motion and maintain a straight back at all times. You'll also need to engage your core and your glutes. This is so that you can maximize each push-up so you can gain strength within your muscles. Progressing to do your first push-up. You will need to start at incline with your arms slightly lower than your chest with a straight body. Similar to a standard push-up, you need to be under complete control when doing this exercise. This will give you the fundamental strength to completing your first ever push-up. Remember to contract your abs and your glutes while performing this exercise. Once you can comfortably complete 10 reps of this exercise, you are ready to start your first ever push-up. Common mistake that beginners usually make is that they have their arms too wide. This is causing too much stress within their shoulders, which can lead to injury. Another common mistake is half repping. This is also called ego pushing. You want to avoid these kinds of push-ups because this is minimizing the strength that you'll get in the long run. Also avoid momentum push-ups. This will hinder your progression in the future. Remember to keep your back straight at all times. You want to avoid putting unnecessary stress onto your shoulders that could lead to injury. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and that you found the progressions very helpful to completing your first ever push-up. Okay, guys, I just want to talk about comparing yourself to other people. Okay, you might see people on YouTube, you might see people in gyms that can do certain exercises. For instance, a push-up, they might be able to do these really easy. And what I want you guys to do is not compare yourselves, as you might get a bit discouraged and think that you might not be able to do it. What I want you guys to know is it's going to take a bit of time to get to that stage, and that's what they did to get to that stage where they are right now. Okay, now if you like this video, can you give a big thumbs up and comment if you liked anything about this video? Okay, and also hit the subscribe button and that bell to say that you like this video. Thank you.